So the first question that I'm going to talk us through is question 3 on the problem solving section of the homework. This was asking us to find the expansion of tan x in powers of x minus pi over 4 using Taylor's series. Now there are two forms of Taylor's series given. Because it wanted it in powers of x minus pi over 4, that tells us that we need to use this formula here, f of x equals f of a plus x minus a, f dash of a, and so on. So we're going to start by letting f of x be equal to tan x, and we know that we're going to have to differentiate this twice to get the term up to x minus pi over 4 squared. So f dash of x is sec squared x, and to differentiate this we use the standard differentiation of sec x, which is sec x tan x, and the chain rule. So we get f double dash of x is, bring the 2 down, 2 sec x tan x, and then obviously you simplify the sec x to make sec squared x tan x. Now each of these needs to be evaluated at pi over 4. So using this shorthand here, we can say that tan x at pi over 4, well that's just equal to 1. Sec squared x at pi over 4, well cos of pi over 4 is 1 over root 2, I think. So sec x is just root 2, so sec squared x is 2. And obviously with these two values we can find 2 sec squared x tan x will just be 2 times 2 times 1, so that'll be 4. And then it's just a case of substituting everything into the formula. So we get tan x is equal to 1 plus x minus pi over 4 times 2 plus x minus pi over 4 squared over 2 times 4, and then the 2 and the 4 cancel, so you end up with 1 plus 2 x minus pi over 4 plus 4 x minus pi over 4 squared.